Imagine having an AI chatbot that answers questions, captures leads, and boosts sales 24/7. No coding, no tech skills required. In this video, we'll show you how to build a chatbot in minutes using NoForm AI. Getting started is easy. Go to NoForm AI and enter your website URL. The platform will automatically analyze your site's content to generate relevant responses for your chatbot. No coding, no setup hassle. Your chatbot is ready in minutes. Even without full training, the chatbot can already answer common questions about your business. This gives you a quick preview of how it works before customizing it further. But to make the chatbot even smarter, you can train it using your website pages, documents, and manual refinements. Once you're ready, sign up to customize responses, fine-tune AI accuracy, and fully integrate the chatbot into your website. Use the Training tab to upload documents like PDFs or Word files, or train the bot on additional web pages for more comprehensive responses. Just upload, and NoForm AI learns from them. In the AI Behavior tab, you can provide manual instructions to fine-tune how the bot interacts with users. For example, specify which URLs it should reference or how detailed its responses should be. Your chatbot's first message is what grabs attention and encourages interaction. You want it to feel natural, helpful, and engaging. For example, if you're running a real estate business, your chatbot's first message could be, "Hi there, looking for a new home? Ask me anything." With conversation starters, you can suggest topics visitors might be interested in, helping them take the first step. For example, on a real estate site, you can add, "See available properties. Request an agent callback. Learn about mortgage options." Quick replies allow users to respond with a single click, making conversations faster and more engaging. Now, let's make your chatbot work for you by capturing high-quality leads. You can request email, phone number, and any other detail like name, company name, etc., depending on your business goal. This ensures that every chatbot interaction has the potential to convert a visitor into a lead. Your chatbot doesn't have to give the same response on every page. Page-specific instructions allow you to customize replies based on where visitors are. For example, on a pricing page, you can add, "Need help choosing a plan? I can suggest the best option." Now, let's make your chatbot match your brand. You can rename your AI assistant, for example, AI Assistant or AskBot. Upload your logo. Choose the chatbot's icon shape. Adjust colors to match your website. Set chatbot position on the screen. This creates a seamless brand experience and makes your chatbot feel like an integrated part of your website. Before going live, test your chatbot's responses by simulating real user interactions. Ask common visitor questions related to your business. Check how the chatbot understands and responds, and review its answers for accuracy. Test features like lid capture and page-specific instructions to ensure everything works smoothly. Fine-tune responses based on your test results for the best user experience. Time to go live. NoForm AI integrates seamlessly with WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, and other platforms. Just copy and paste a simple script, and your chatbot is embedded instantly. And that's it. You've built an AI-powered chatbot without coding. Ready to get started? Visit NoForm.ai and build your AI chatbot today.